Buffalo farming business is a very profitable business. Starting a buffalo farming business is just like starting a cattle farming business. Many people are making money all over the world by starting buffalo farming business. Among the various livestock species, buffalo is the most potent source of milk and meat production. Buffalo farming business ensures a higher return to the farmers. With less effort and investment, one can start commercial buffalo farming for profit. Buffalo farming is an essential source of subsidiary income for small marginal farmers and agricultural laborers. Buffalo milk is of very good quality, containing high amounts of fat and protein. The milk is generally used for making cream, churns, butter, ghee, fermented milk products, whey, soft cheese, hard cheese, yogurt, etc. Dear viewers, today in this video we will try to explain the method of the buffalo farming business step by step, and its advantages and disadvantages. Selecting a suitable area is very important for starting a buffalo farming business. An area with all required facilities will be good for a successful buffalo farming business. As a calm area with fencing, a source of clean drinking water, grazing land, land for cultivating feeds, availability of labor, and availability of vet is also mandatory, and good transportation service. The buffaloes don't have special requirements in terms of housing. They will be fine and stay happy if you can arrange basic requirements for them. Just like domestic cattle, around or up to 40 square feet of housing space will be enough for each buffalo. The buffaloes can thrive on a wide variety of foods. They can thrive on many aquatic plants. They eat reeds, arundodonax, a kind of Cyperaceae, Eichhornia crassipes, and Juncaceae. Adequate green fodders are mandatory for raising buffaloes. Green fodders are widely used for intensive milk production and fattening. Many farmers conserve many fodder crops as hay, chaffed, or pulped. Fodders include alfalfa, the leaves, stems, or trimmings of banana, cassava, mangelwurzel, esparto, lucina leucocephala, and kanaf, maize, oats, pandanus, peanut, sorghum, soybean, sugarcane, bagasse, and turnips. Swamp water buffaloes generally prefer to wallow in mudholes, which they make with their horns, and they acquire a thick coating of mud during wallowing. While the river buffaloes generally prefer deep water. Both types are well adapted to a hot and humid climate with temperatures ranging from 0 to 30 degrees Celsius in winter, and greater in the summer. During hot climates, water availability is very important. Some breeds are also well adapted to saline seaside shores and saline sandy terrain. Diseases and other health problems are generally less in buffaloes. However, you need to keep in contact with a vet for handling the urgent situation. Good marketing strategies ensure a good profit for each business, and success in the buffalo farming business also depends on good marketing strategies.